So hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to change your name on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your mobile phone, and on the upper left side click the three lines icon right here, and after that select this gear icon on the upper right side to go to settings, and then scroll down and look for account center. Just click account center, and after that select profile, this one. Click profile and then select your Facebook account, and after that you see your name. So just click name. So that's it. You'll be routed to an options on how to change your name on Messenger. So first the first name rather, and then next the middle name if you want to put a middle name, and next the last name. And by the way, if you change your name, make sure that you enter it correctly, because you cannot change it again for 60 days. So you need to wait for 60 days until you can change your name once again. So that's it. That's how you change your name on Messenger. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.